Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Meesho. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Meesho application on your device. If not, tap open your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for the Meesho online shopping app, this one over here, and tap on the install or the download button. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take several minutes. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications if you want, and then you will be able to get to the home page of Meesho. Now, once you see the welcome screen, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. On the top of the screen, you will see a sign up option. Tap on Sign Up to start creating an account. Now, you can go ahead and select your country and then type in your phone number in the text box. Once done, click on Send OTP. You'll then receive a one-time password to your provided phone number. Enter the passcode that you received and click on Verify. Once you are done, you will then be able to create an account on Meesho. On the next page, you'll need to add your details such as your name, email address, create a strong password for your account, and then you will then be able to create a new account on Meesho and finish the registration. Now you have a Meesho account, you can now start browsing or reselling products. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.